Hello everyone, I welcome you back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to review Black & Decker Portable Garment Steamer. The wattage of the steamer is 1500 watt. It comes with a 2-year warranty, and quickly I'll tell you what are the parts that we are going to get with it. This is a brush in which there is an inbuilt lint remover. This is very useful particularly for the woolen clothes. This is the main body of that garment steamer. And this steel rack which you were seeing, through which the steam comes, there is a power on off button, and this button is pressed for continuous steam output. And next we have this bottle which has anti-calc system, which is good for the life of the steamer. The capacity of this water tank is of 260 ml, and it is a very beautiful triangle shaped one. And then what the best thing we have with this steamer is this universal adapter. What is the purpose of this universal adapter is that it fits in with any of the bottle. I'll tell you later in the video why it is useful. So firstly, there is a lock mechanism in which we lock this storage tank with the device. It locks very well and it is not that much heavy also. Then we need to switch it on. Firstly, this red light comes, and when the red light turns blue, then it is ready to be used. It usually takes 40 seconds for this to happen. There is minimum water that you need to fill into the water tank, and the steam output is 21 mg per minute, which is quite good. Now I come to the use of the universal adapter. The universal adapter is useful in case you are traveling and you don't need to carry that water tank with you, as it is heavy, plus it is going to increase your luggage. So what we can do, we can attach any bottle with this steamer, any Bisleri bottle or cold drink bottle that is available in your hotel room that you can use. Now it gets fixed in and it is ready to be used with any of the bottle. So this is what I like about this garment steamer the most. Now let's quickly see and test this garment steamer. Firstly, I am going to take my husband's shirt, because for me there are two major reasons for buying this garment steamer. The first one is, when we are traveling, at times the clothes become little crushed. Even when we get them ironed, then also it becomes crushed when they are kept in wardrobe. And when we want to go somewhere, we want nice crisp ironed clothes. And it is especially good if you are attending an outstation wedding, then you have a lot of things to carry and you want ironed clothes, or you are into a hotel, or you are attending some outside conference. That way it comes very handy and you get your crisply ironed shirts or clothes, whatever you want. You can see these wrinkles have been successfully removed, and I have got that wrinkle free shirt. Now if I want to fill in the water, there is this thing at the bottom of the tank, then I am going to fill the water. Next thing why I wanted this steamer was, there are certain women clothes which are heavily embroidered, and you cannot run a normal iron on that, and at that time we need to go to the dry cleaner to get it steam ironed. It takes a lot of time, a lot of money is also wasted. You can see it was so wrinkled, but within a minute or so I have got an almost wrinkle free top. And you can see there is a slight embroidery at the neck, for which it works very well. Now the back of the top is also to be ironed. It took me less than a minute to iron it, and I was completely satisfied. How much deep wrinkled it was, you already saw in the video. And do let me in the comment section that whether you are satisfied with the performance of this or not. And the next reason for me investing into this garment steamer was that it comes very handy for ironing your delicate material suits and sarees. For example, if you have a silk saree or a suit, and it also comes very handy for ironing those heavily embroidered sarees or lehengas. Before going to the wedding, you can press them in a jiffy. You just don't need to go to the dry cleaner every time. And the last and the major reason for me investing into this is that my husband is a doctor. So whenever he returns from the hospital, we need to get his clothes totally clean. Washing is not possible in case of winter clothes and coats. At that time, it is the best and effective way of getting rid of all the germs that are there while you visit a hospital. So that was all for today. I thank all of you for watching the video. If you liked the video, do hit the like button. Share the video with your family and friends, and do let me know in the comment section what more product reviews you want. And please subscribe to the channel for getting more such videos.